of the poem I ko hujik nei nare hujik aina langning di sidai da title of the poem ai sereng je tak po sung hodri ko title of the poem O Captain My Captain haiba sereng se mesti da pi ba O Captain My Captain ba title se mesti da haipatang wahi man dang hairam ge idai da captain haiba se idai da captain haiba se masi kanano who is the captain in a ship? Who is the captain of a ship in a sea, boys? Samudra ki journey amada, samudra ki khongsat amada, jahaz amada, jahazu bu shoi da ngam da na bagi da mata yengshal liba, jahazu bu kai da shoi kita gini, kai da khudong diba thoka da gini, hai na hona riba mayam du puna maktu bu yengshal liba adu gumba, miyoi do madu bu kai kawi ay koi na captain. Captain of the ship. Ko aduna hidai da captain hai di se masi kanabuno hai bada masi here captain refers to Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the United States of America. America gi taraga taruk super president do adu mahut sile siki captain sena. Here captain refers to the Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the United States of America. America gi taraga taruk suba adu gumba president do adu mahut sili ko. Sereng si yam sangi amuktang takuna aku loibi yaroi ko. Sereng si aku yam munan khang na bokhona matam da hai di basing se sereng gi magi literary term adige typical of the poem adige life history of the point aduga main theme of the poem aduga title of the poem masi aku hujik maduni aku ni rai se bako aduna hujik aku na title sida karigidam ta Abraham Lincoln bu captain hana kauri se karigino si question je council na adum hangadu bagi ngai le rabani adum aya matam da hangba karigidamak ta no why does Wellman describe the Abraham Lincoln as the captain of the ship? Karigidamak ta akoi gi Abraham Lincoln na akoi Abraham Lincoln bu akoi gi captain of the ship hai the captain ga mana refer to se kari maram gi tori no hai base masi ai koina hangap ta ragadi ai koina sa gi captain hai base masi kadoba akoi gi samudra gi sea voyage amada jahaz du bu soi ngam dana magda yengchen ba adu gumba ai koi gi misak amane ba mana khwai gi maru misak amane ba captain se ko like the captain Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the United States of America, looked after United States and he brought unifications in the United States of America. America da mahangna America da he brought peace in the United States of America. He brought unifications in the United States of America. America da mahana America bu masya tagat abdi mahana America da unification porki aduga he emancipated the slavery system and he gave liberations to the American Negroes in the 1863 da mahana American Negroes ngo mogi minai nai thangi slavery system adu mathale harga makoi bu ning tamba pikhi ba asum tauna jahaz bu kaidani yengchiliba captain jahaz bu asoi ngam thok tana ba yengchiliba captain duga adugumna Abraham Lincoln su kadoba magi America bu kaidana ba makta America da khudung thiba thok tana mana yengchilame ba magi praja sing magi leibak tu bu country bu kaidana ba makta ningkhijan mana yengchilame ba masina maram oi harga well with men na kadoba Abraham Lincoln bu captain ga sangdam nari bane ba hida ai koi yengchiko hida hanba agoi sereng se ai parke Oh captain, my captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has the weather every rake. The prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells I hear the people all exulting. While falling eyes the steady kill, the vessel grim and daring. But oh hurt on the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Oh captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trills, for you bouquets and the ribbon race, for you the shows are crowding, for you they call, they saying mass, their eager faces turning. Here captains, dear Father, these arms beneath your head, it is some dream that on the day you have fallen cold and dead. My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm. He had no pulse nor will. The ship is anchored, safe and sound. Its buoy is close and done. From Purple Trip, the victor hymn comes in with object one. Axel. So now we have read all the lines of the poems. Akoina sering siki paring sing si akoi hije punna faminare. Sering sida akoina stanza tongan bi stanza sing lady siki poem sida aduna hojik stanza da lady ba kari haidibano haibdu aikoi amuk yengsi. First stanza, oh captain, my captains, our people trip is done. The ship has withered every rake, the prize we sought is won. The port is near the bells, I hear the bell all exulting, while falling eyes, the steady kills, the vessels grim and daring. So in this first stanza, sige, ahan bis stanza sida, well will mena, pungdu libesi, kaino mana hai se, oh captain, my captain, captain, oh my captain, aikhoigi, satkadaba aikhoigi fearful trip ase, aikhoin akiba phangdaba trip ase, akoi hujik loire. Captain, oh captain, my captain, our fearful trip is done. Aikhoigi akiba phangdaba, aikhoigi trip ase akoi chatpa loire, akoi pangthokpa loire. Hidai da dum question lama dum tholokpa yare. Hidai question tholokpa yare. Kari haina hidai da, oh captain, my captain, our people trip is done and haji pirika kola anji pirika anda. Why does well-will man describe the trip as the fearful trip? Akiba panglaba trip and haidi manam karigino. Akiba trip and haidi manam karigino. Akiba panglaba adugumba journey, adugumba trip. Amani haibasi manam karigino. Hidayda well-will man na akiba panglaba adugumba kongsat amani haidi manam di karigino haibada. The trip was in the midst of the civil war in the United States of America, between the North America and the South America. There was a civil war. Matamda da aikoina civil war thokku matamda that was the war. Civil war. Adumaina akoigi civil war thokku matamne akoigi United States of America da aduna adukorba civil war thokku matamda akoina thoiba do maduba aikoina civil war thokku matamda chatpa adugumba khongsat ama oibana maram oire haraga madu yamna aikona akiba khongsat amani fearful trip ni hana aikoin haide bani ko aduga hide da amuk swabi ai hide da captain hana pide kola anje tore haraga who is the captain referred to here hide da captain haije kanano hangta gidi here captain refers to the captain of the ship, that is Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the United States of America. America gi taratruk suba adugumba akoigi president duniko hide the captain and high say da captain here refers to the captain of the ship, that is Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the United States of America. Adubunikom adana captain akoi hoji akiba akiba khongsu akoi hoji loire akoi pangtho akoi satkre and the ship has withered every rake, the prize we sought is won. Hide jo mo hangba yai sige kano je pire haraga hide da aikoina aikoina phange khanba akoina prize do madu aikoi phange hari bise karino. The ship has withered every wreck. The ship asina hida ship haide kana karibuna ide ship ana hari se ya ship refers to ide the ship sina kana refers to we USA. Captain sina kana refer to we Abraham Lincoln. Ide da ship sina kana refer to we aikoina USA refer to we aduga aikoigi kano sina captain sina kana refer to we hai tagadi Abraham Lincoln aikoigi refer to we ko hidida aduna aikoigi ship se haibdi United States se masi aikoigi wither haibdi magi overcame magi kudung thiba kudamak tigi la thoga aikoi lakba aikoigi khudimak aikoigi अमेरिका की प्रजा सिंह खुदिमंगना खुदोंग थिबा पुनमक्ति अखोई मधु लांथोगा अखोई लाए खांबा हाइजनिको रेक हैव द ट्रबल हैबनिको अदुगा द प्राइज बी सॉट इज वन अखोइना खंगे खनबा प्राइज अदु फंगे अद करी प्राइज हिदेदा व्हाट प्राइज इज रिफर टू हियर या प्राइज या प्राइज रिफर्स टू इधर करी प्राइज हिदेदा अखोइना प्राइज फंगे अखोइना खंगे प्राइज फंगे हाइजे कइनो द प्राइज या रिफर्स टू the unifications of the United States of America America bo amak to ina punjan bigi unification do madu bune ba hide ai koina ai the prize na hari base aduna prize do ai koina phange khanba ai koina America bu punjan ge habdo madu ai koi punjan le hoje America amat to oire ai koi hoje unification leire the port is near the bells I hear the bell I hear the people all exulting hoje port di ai koi gi destination do adu buni ko hide do ko ai koina अखोई डेस्टिनेशन मधु अखोई हुजिक अखोई योगदौरे अखोई डेस्टिनेशन नक्सल लगले हुजिक द बेल्स आई हियर बेल खिंगबा अखोई तारे पीपल ऑल एक्सल्टिंग मी सिंगना हराउबा नुंगाइबा लाउबा खोंगबा अखोई मी खुदिमंगना कदोबा अखोई पंदुंग पमदा मयामना अखोई हराउदन लेबा पुनमक्तो अखोइना तारे ओ कैप्टन कैप्टन while follow eyes the steady kill the vessel grim and daring कदोबा हौजिक मखोइगी कदोबा हारिबा प्रजा मियाम सिंग अदो मखोइगी मिफम अदो कराइबा अखोइगी शिप लोम दा अखोरोम दा येंगे अखोरोम दा ओनसिलकले अखोइबु ओनबगी दा मते गाइरगा लेरे प्रजा मयाम अमना अदुना अखोइगी खुदोंग थिबु खुदिम अखोइ लोइरे अखोइ पांगथोए का अखोइना तौगे खनबा थबकसु अखोइ तौरे मरमदे यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका दा अखोइना कदोबा यूनिफिकेशन पोरे the vessel grim and daring अखोइ vessel लेदी हिदेदा अखोइना vessel हरगि हिदे शिप सिबुनी को यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका बनी माने रिफर तौसे मयाम की मियंग से कदोबा अखोइगी जहाज रोमदा अखोइगी शिप लोमदा मयाम की मियंग से अखोइ येंग वनसल अखोइदा मरमदे करिगी अखोइना अमेरिका बु कदोबा अखोइगी खुदोंग थिबा कयामरोम दे अखोइना कल्लगा लापदो अखोइगी अमेरिका की प्रजासिंदा थोकदबा खुदोंग थिबु करमदे अखोइना कनबदो मदुदा कदोबा मियाम अखोइदा येंग अखोइदा वनसलकले अखोइदा मियाम की मियंग से अखोइदा येंग अदुना अखोइबु वोनबगी दमक्ता कदोबा मियाम पुनमक लाउरी अदुगा चर्च की बेल सु खिंगी अखोइगी पंथुंबम सु नक्सिलले ओ कैप्टन कैप्टन सिनिको अखोइगी खुदोंग थिबागी जर्नी पुनमक अखोइ लोइसिलकले सिनेबो हारिसेबको अदा अखोइ ngasi sibok tawsi mathangda mathangi session da aikoi haiba poem se amu loisanji ko